In front of our house stands a beautiful pongamia tree, which we planted nearly 25 years ago. Today it has grown into a big, strong tree, spreading its branches like a natural umbrella. Every day, something very and heart-touching happens under this tree. Cows from nearby areas slowly walk towards this place, as if they know that this tree is a safe and comfortable spot for them. One by one, they come and settle down under the cool shade. This is not a festival, not a celebration, but a natural gathering. A peaceful coming together of these gentle animals. They do not hurry. They walk calmly, choosing this shade as their resting spot. Under the hot sun, this tree becomes a natural shelter. The cows sit down peacefully, chew their food slowly, and relax without any disturbance. Just watching them gives a deep sense of calmness. Friends, this is not just a simple scene. It is a message from nature. They sit quietly, chew their food, and relax without any disturbance, and sometimes they call us in their own way. Otherwise there is no noise, no hurry, no stress, only calmness. The pongamia tree provides them with shade from the hot sun. In a place where heat can be strong, this tree becomes like a shelter, protecting them and giving comfort. Watching this scene gives a deep sense of peace to our mind. Some cows sit, some stand, and some slowly move around. They share the space without any conflict. It teaches us a silent lesson about harmony and coexistence. This pongamia tree is not asking who owns the cows. It is not deciding who can sit and who cannot. It is simply giving shade equally to all. My wife also participates in this beautiful routine. With kindness and love, she offers bananas to the cows. The cows accept it gently, creating a bond between humans and animals. I also gave them their favorite red tomatoes and they ate it happily. For a senior retired person, the visit keeps me happy and occupied, giving them fruits and chatting with them. Humans, animals, birds, all are welcome. Sometimes we see sparrows sitting on the branches, squirrels running up and down, parrots coming and making sweet sounds. Even eagles sit silently at the top. And below, these gentle cows rest with full comfort. It feels like a small natural community, living together in harmony. For us, as senior citizens, this scene teaches many things. In our busy life, we often forget to rest. We keep thinking, worrying, and running behind time. But these cows remind us, take a pause, sit down, relax, and enjoy the present moment. Under this same tree, where house located, our family also spends time. We sit, relax, and sometimes practice simple yoga inside the sit-out. The cool breeze and natural surroundings make it a perfect place for relaxation. Birds sit on the branches, squirrels run up and down, and occasionally, even larger birds rest on the higher branches. So this pongamia tree is not just a tree, it is a complete living space. It supports animals, birds, and humans together. It creates a natural environment where everyone finds comfort. Even passers-by stop for a moment, vehicles get parked in the shade, and children play nearby. This is the true beauty of nature. Without asking anything in return, this tree gives shade, comfort, and life. The cows gathering here every day is not a festival, but it is definitely a peaceful natural moment, a living example of how nature brings all beings together. It reminds us that if we protect and nurture nature, it will take care of us in many ways. Let us learn from this simple yet powerful scene. Let us plant more trees, protect them, and create such peaceful spaces around us. The shade of this tree is not only for the body, but also for the mind. When we sit here, we feel coolness not just outside, but inside also. Friends, planting a tree is not just for us. It is for future generations, for animals, for birds, for the environment. The shade of this tree is not only for the body, but also for the mind. When we sit here, we feel coolness not just outside, but inside also. Friends, planting a tree is not just for us. It is for future generations, for animals, for birds, for the environment.